Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have this group called City and Color. Never heard about them before, I think. With the song Meant to Be. Alright, so a nice song. So why not give it a try? We'll go over 5 different chords, and we don't have any capo for this one, so 5 chords and 1 single strumming pattern that works through the entire song. So that's great. Let's start this one up and look at the chords. The first one will be C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. The next chord is A sharp. Alright, so that's a bar chord here. A bar on the 1st fret from the A string and down. So that means 5 strings if you count from bottom and up like this. And then the rest will be 3rd on D and 3rd on G. I'm using the sus version here. It's much easier and it fits well for the song, so that's the reason. Alright, so next chord will be A minor. Alright, good old A minor. It's open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Okay, next chord, F. So that's a bar chord. Again, 1st fret, bar, this time over all strings. And then the rest will be 3rd on D, A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And the final chord is the G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Alright, so 5 chords, C, A sharp, A minor, F, and G. Easy. So let's go into this song. Before we start it and look at the different parts and like that, we will learn the strumming pattern, because we will have that from the beginning till the end. So let's grab that C, since that is the 1st chord. 1 strum around will be like this. Alright, so that is first 1 down, and then a short pause there, and then comes down, up, down, up. So down, down, up, down, up. That's 1 round. All right, so let's look at the first part here, the first verse. You will play C 4 rounds of the strumming, then A minor 2 and F 2. Okay, so that short little chord progression here you will play for 4 rounds. So C4, A minor 2, and F2. That chunk of chords you play for 4 rounds. A couple of rounds will sound like this. So that's the first verse. Let's go into the chorus play now. The first chorus, you will play 2 rounds of C strumming, so C2, then A sharp 2, then A minor 2, and F2. So C, A sharp, A minor, F2 strumming rounds per chord, and that chord progression you're gonna play for 2 rounds. So let's do that together. C, A sharp, A minor, and F. All right. Then comes the second verse. It's a repetition there, same as in the first one, and the same goes with the second chorus that comes again right after. So it just repeats everything there. After the second chorus comes a bridge part. All right, so here we're gonna still continue with the strumming. We're gonna play A minor 4 rounds, then C 4 rounds, G 4 rounds, and the final chord F, you're gonna play 2 rounds of that plus 1 extra down and a short pause. Okay, so A minor 4, C4, G4, F2 plus 1 down, like this. Yeah. And then comes the final parts there, the third chorus played in the same way as the previous choruses, and we have an outro part. You play that again in the same way as you play one chorus. And that, my friend, ends City in Colors Meant to Be. So give it a try if you like calm country-ish songs like that. So yeah, pretty easy to handle and play. So hope you enjoyed it. Till next time, guys. Play tuned.